Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we're unboxing something that's going to make showers and baths feel way more luxurious. The VIP Bath 35-liter Foldable Towel Warmer Bucket. If you love stepping out of the shower into a warm, cozy towel or robe, this product might just become your new favorite bathroom essential. Alright, let's open this up and see what's inside. Right away, we can see the warmer itself, neatly packed and well protected. I really appreciate when companies package their products thoughtfully. It shows attention to detail. Here it is. The design is really sleek and minimal. I love the clean white finish with these nice wooden handle accents. It's modern and should blend beautifully into any bathroom space. This is a foldable one-piece design, which means no tools are needed. You can literally unfold it in a second, use it, and fold it back down when you don't need it. Perfect for saving space in smaller bathrooms or apartments. It feels lightweight yet sturdy, thanks to the Oxford cloth material and thoughtful construction. Now, one of the highlights of this towel warmer is its 35-liter capacity. This means it can fit up to 3 large towels or 2 robes. So, whether you live with a family, a partner, or just love oversized towel, there's plenty of room here. Another important feature is how quickly it heats up. The towel warms evenly in just a few minutes. You can get the spa-like comfort without waiting too long. Imagine stepping out of the tower and wrapping yourself in warmth. It's literally like a cozy hug. Of course, safety is always important. VIPBATH added a high temperature indicator light, a small red light that gently reminds of if things are getting too hot. Plus, this unit is ETL certified, which means it's been tested and meets strictly safety standards. That gives me extra peace of mind knowing it's safe for everyday use. So, first impression, I think the VIPBATH 35-liter foldable towel warmer bucket is an excellent mix of practicality, design, and luxury. It's stylish, space-saving, and adds that little touch of comfort we all deserve. I can already tell this is going to make my daily routine feel more like a spa experience. If you're interested in checking this out for yourself, I will leave the link in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more unboxing and review videos, and let me know in the comments, would you use a towel warmer like this in your bathroom? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.